Hi, family. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you come across this video. My name is Susan. This is the voice behind Flow with Susan TV. My content are lifestyle, cooking skills, city vlog, entertainment, relationship advice. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more entertainment, relationship advice, and my city vlog.
Last KFC. So we are waiting for our commands. We are waiting.
So guys, what actually happened here was that this is my niece. She's about to travel back to Nigeria, and she requested that the last thing she want to taste in Dakar is the KFC. She loves it so much because it's hard to find it in Edo State. Yeah, we have it in Lagos, Abuja, but not in Edo State. So we came to take some takeaway, and this guy was just delaying us, and here we have our command already. I was just trying to cross-check if everything was complete. So here we go. We're going home right now. So if you've ever been to Senegal, or you live in Senegal, you know this part of the city where I am right now. It's called Yoff Line. So this KFC in Yoff Line is something else. We like it. My kids love the KFC. My sister do love it too. So wash on. So guys, we are home and everyone is enjoying their KFC chicken. Thank you all for watching this video to this moment, and please subscribe.